checking out the show with a glassy eye, looking at the sun dancing through the sky. Did he come by UFO?
On the next Phoenix Lights Petroglyphs in the Sky UFO show, we will be taking a closer look at a supposedly photograph that was taken March 13, 1997 of a V-shaped light formation that has just now been made public. Is it real or is it CGI? Find out with me as we take a closer look into this rare photo. I'll also be showing a never seen before UFO video that I filmed a few months ago. Also an insane UFO that was filmed in Colorado. This thing, guys, will blow your doors off. This is crazy stuff. So all of that and more can be seen only here on the Paranormal Family channel right here on ROKU. So make sure you search that ROKU app on your ROKU devices so you won't miss any other exciting paranormal shows like this one. Look for the official time and date of this showing that will be posted right here on my Facebook channel. See you guys there. You won't want to miss this new episode.
By UFO. Did he come